Hi everyone, my name is Saif, and in this video we are gonna dive into Doba Dropshipping platform and connect it to Shopify store. Doba is an American-based B2B dropshipping platform. They handle all of your dropshipping needs, which include finding suppliers and managing orders in addition to packaging and shipping. It also integrates with popular website builders like Shopify. So basically, you don't have the physical product in your warehouse, however, Doba does. So let's see how it actually works. First, you need to register to Doba. From here, it's easier to register with your Google. So let's pick our account and let's go. Here is your Doba interface. First, it will ask you about some questions like your contact information, the type of e-commerce store, and many other options. We will just skip it for now. It will also show you the plans it has. We will just continue with the trial plan. And here you can find many products. So you can pick whatever you want. You also can filter them from this top menu. You can see the top arrivals, top sellers, high profit, and other options. So let's just see maybe the top sellers. Let's see this product. You can click on it for more informations. And here you can see its name and some other informations, like how many of this product in the stock. You can also scroll down and see other pictures here. You can also see other familiar products. You can see the product details like specifications and details. You can see shipping info. You can also see a return and refund policy. After navigating through the information of the product and you decided that this product is the one you want, all what you need to do is to press on Add to Inventory Test. You can also add a new tag. However, I'm going to skip it for now and add it to inventory. And it was successfully added. So let's go to the inventory list here. And here you can see your own products. Now you need to connect your Doba with Shopify. So all what you need to do is to go to your Shopify, press on apps, then see all recommended apps here. You can navigate, or you can just find more apps in the Shopify App Store. Then search for Doba Dropshipping here. And all what you need to do is to just press on install. Back to our Doba account, there is a problem that will encounter you if you are on the free plan. If you pressed on this object or this item and you want to list the store, it will ask you that you will not be able to do this during your free trial period. So you need to choose a plan. So for now, we will not choose a plan. I will just walk you through the plans and the different features so that you have some basic knowledge of what you need and what Doba provides or offers to you. So it has the free plan here and other 3 plans. I would recommend the starter plan because if you are not professional in dropshipping, or if you are new, so you don't have what it takes to use the features of the business and this plan, so it's just additional features that you will not use. So just you can start with the starter plan. You can see all the features here, so you can easily compare between plans and choose what is most suitable for you. So that was basically it. Now, before ending my tutorial, I want to show you how the cycle of dropshipping work, so that you would have basic understanding of the whole process. Back to the home page, you can scroll down till you find how does dropshipping work. These are basically the steps for every single dropshipping in general. So basically, you try to find and import products to your online store. In other websites, not Doba, other alternatives, you need to search for a supplier like Alibaba or Amazon or these websites, and you need to get the items from it, then import it to your dropshipping app. However, Doba does not work like that. Doba has a feature in which it's itself is the supplier for you. It provides the items that you can purchase. So you can get the items from Doba and let Doba handle the shipping and packaging for you. So basically, Doba is two-in-one. It can also act as a supplier. So here you can find and import the products to your online store from Doba itself and import it to Doba again. And next is customers buy products from your online store. Once a customer choose your item or choose your anything that you display for being purchased, you can move to the next step, which is the orders go directly to suppliers. So basically, you don't have the item or you don't have the order or the package as a physical state. You only order it, and who has it as a physical state is Doba itself. So Doba has the item, and when you import the item to it, it has the item in its physical form. So once a customer purchases this item, Doba will send it to it from this step, which is suppliers ship the products directly to your buyers. So it controls all what is related to packaging and delivery. And finally, you keep the profits from the retail prices. So basically, if an item costs $60, you can offer it for, let's say, $90. So the difference is $30. These $30 may be divided into two major components, which are overheads and your own net profit. So the overheads may be consumed due to your premium plan with the Doba plus the packaging and shipping costs, while the other one, which is the net profit, is the money that you get in your pocket. So basically, dropshipping works primarily by taking an item or something for sale, you increase its price, and the difference in this price is taken by you and by Doba or whatever the application you are using for dropshipping. So what's your rule in this? Your rule is basically to market for this sale. You are marketing it. So basically, Doba performs everything. It provides for you the item, it provides the shipping, it provides the packaging, it provides every single thing. While you have to market for this sale so that it will be ordered by clients. And this income will be divided on you and Doba. Doba will take the cost of the item itself plus the packaging and the delivery plus your subscription, while you will take the rest of the money to you. So basically, this is how dropshipping works. I hope this video wasn't too long for you guys. That was our tutorial for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and see you in the next videos, and have the most beautiful day ever.